Hi, I'm Lobsang Wangdu.
And I'm Yolanda O'Bannon.
We are from your Wangdu Tibetan culture. If you don't like to eat your same old food every day, I'd like to show you how to cook Tibetan food.
Tibetan food is warm, comfort food that people around the world really love to eat.
When I cook for my Western friends, they love my Tibetan food. I will show you some of the examples here. Shapali, Pali Kokun, Motuk, Desi, Veggie Mama, Meat Mama, Amdupale, Tenduk.
We welcome you to join our Experience Tibet membership community, and inside the community we have a full guide on Tibetan home cooking. Here's what you get. 27 recipes. Each one has a lot of pictures to help you see what you need to do, and something that's really useful is that there are also 27 videos showing you step by step how to cook each one. We give you a sample video, and you can find that if you scroll a little down this page. You also get a private discussion forum for you to ask questions anytime and to share your experiences with other people who like Tibetan cooking. We're in there to respond to your questions as well. A monthly live Q&A, and you'll also get new recipes and tips as they come out. And last but not least, you get some massive bonuses. So one bonus is our practical guide to Tibetan Buddhism, which is a full 8-week course introducing you to the basic practices of Tibetan Buddhism. And then another is how to travel to Tibet, which is our complete A to Z guide on how to get to Tibet, have fun, and get home safely. And there are more bonuses. Just scroll down the page to see them all. We can't wait to see you inside the Experience Tibet membership. To join right now, you can click on the button right under this video.
We will see you inside the community.